Hello guys! Ngayong umaga ang gagawin natin is yung pinaka nire-request ng lahat, yung simple routine ng 1 in 1 battle. So para kila Idol Miss Jel, kay Idol Pipran Sukul at kay Idol Clement Leroy's, itong gagawin kong video to, sana magustuhan nyo at marami kayo matutunan. So first, yung gagawin natin mga idol, yung mga basic moves. Pagsasama-samahin natin at gagawin natin routine. Una, palm roll, cut. Next, frontal flip, cut. Next natin gagawin is yung side flip, cut. And yung boomerang na single flip lang, tsaka cut. Boomerang, cut. Pagkatapos na idol, over the head tayo, single flip, over the head. Next, yung tinatawag na behind the back. So, lalagay natin siya ng, ng flip ng konti. Okay? Isa pa, behind the back. So, after ng behind the back, nakuha natin dito yung shaker, i-snatch na natin itong bote. Snatch. So, pagka-snatch, ililipat natin yung object sa kabilang kamay and then i-release natin. Single flip lang. Release. And then, cut ulit. Back flip, and then puring. Tapos, aggressive cut lang. So, ulitin natin. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 8 and 7, 6 and 5, 4 and 3, 2 and 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, tapos. So, sana marami kayo natutunan guys. Maraming salamat. Ingat kayo palagi.